So I bled the system completely. I started to get heat in the cabin, and it was all after I put the coolant cap to the reservoir back on, and seemed like it was pulling a vacuum again. Then I got cylinder 3 misfire, and I came to the conclusion that the head gasket replacement did not work. So I think I'm leaking coolant inside cylinder 3. That is why I'm getting the misfire, and that is why I'm not getting a closed system in the coolant system. So we'll see what the next step is, but it seems like maybe it's time for a new engine.